Hey folks, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kelly. So nothing too difficult, but something kind of fun, a recipe that Kelly actually came across. We had a choice between a couple different flavors when we picked Sloppy Joe tater casserole. There was a Mexican one, so but thought we'd go with the Sloppy Joe tater casserole. So what do we have? We got a pound of ground beef, medium onion, bell pepper, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, tomato sauce, half a cup of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons brown sugar, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 8 ounces of shredded cheese. I said about a cup. It's a little bit more than a cup, but that's all right. And 1 pack of frozen tater tots. So it's pretty simple. Preheat the oven, 450. We've already pre-greased our 9x13 baking dish. I think it's going to be fairly simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the hamburger going with the onions and the peppers.
Now, one thing that we did was we're using pasta sauce just because we didn't have tomato sauce, and we're using what's in the house.
Right.
So, and do you want to give them an update on me? I don't want to talk too much.
An update on you? Well, I can obviously hear you.
Yeah, I sound kind of.
Yeah, it sounds better. Just had to get some different meds. Prednisone. A different antibiotic and antibiotic. So yeah,
still sound. It's still in my chest and stuff, but
so
getting there.
We'll get this hamburger going with the onion and the peppers, and when I'm ready to add some of the other stuff, we'll bring you back. Okay, hamburger's all cooked up. We just gotta drain it. I always like to take this little extra grease out too.
Hi, Brody. Do you want to say hi? We can't get too close. Let's see what's going on.
Okay. So now we're going to add in all the ingredients that I have to mention. Spaghetti sauce, because we don't have tomato sauce. Ketchup. Our Dijon mustard. Worcestershire sauce. Oops.
Bloopers and all.
Glass and all. Made you laugh. brown sugar, garlic powder, and our black pepper.
Stop splashing.
Well, I like to splash. Just got my nice clean apron all dirty. Just gonna get this mixed up. It smells yummy. And we're just gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. Ow! Here we go. I need a little bit of a look. So once it's done simmering and we're ready to put everything together, we'll bring it back. Yeah. All right. So our sloppy Joe mix is all done. We're just going to pour it into the baking pan.
It's supposed to mix some of the cheese in it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Sprinkle. It says sprinkle a little more than half the cheese on the mixture.
Kevin, read before that.
It says spread the mixture in the bottom of the baking dish. Sprinkle a little more than half the cheese on the mixture.
On the mixture.
Yeah, on the mixture.
Oh.
You said
In it. I gotcha.
whose channel is this, Kelly?
It's my channel. It's your show.
Well, so you got me there. It is your channel.
And yes, we are sarcastic and joke with each other all the time.
Yep. Let's break these up. And then we sprinkle the rest of the cheese. And then we stick it in the oven. In the oven for approximately 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. And we'll bring it back when it's ready to come out of the oven. All right, it is done out of the oven. Look at that deliciousness. It looks really, really yummy. So, scoop some out. Put it on the plate. Smells good. Yeah, it tastes good. I cheated earlier. I had to try it out.
It does smell good.
And it actually tastes very similar to sloppy Joe mix out of a can. So, all right, we plated it. We'll see you over at the table. Okay, we're back at the table. We're about to get ready to bite into this. It's hot, so you gotta cool it a little bit.
Duh, just come out of the oven.
I think they know that. I think they
Yummy,
know
yummy.
that it helps.
And you bought us some yummies for dessert too, didn't you?
I did. I'll be honest, I wasn't too sure how it would taste eating the tater tots with the sloppy Joe mix, but it actually tastes pretty good.
Yummy.
So, thanks for watching. That was this week, Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Don't know what we're doing next week, but I'm sure we'll have some surprise for you.
Like and
See you next week.
subscribe.